Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see how to set up the environment for writing code in Python. So let's get started. So we are going to install two things. One is Python and the other one is VS Code. Okay, VS Code is the code editor where we're going to write the Python code. Okay, so first of all open up your browser and search for python.org. Okay, this is the Python's official website. I will put the link of this website in the description box. You can go and check it out. Okay, so click on this download button and here you will find this button Python 3.12.2. okay, in case if you're watching this video at a time when this version is not available, any version of the Python that is available at your point of time, you can download that. Okay, so in my case this is the recent version of Python 3.12.2. I'm going to click on this button and it will give me the download link and click on OK, start download. Okay, and this will download the file. Click on open and install it. Okay, so to install it, make sure you check these two boxes. Okay, use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. Make sure these two buttons are checked, checkboxes are checked. Click on install now and click on yes. This will take some time to install and it will get installed. Okay, so the Python is installed successfully. Click on close and open up a new tab and here you search for VS Code. Okay, and you will get this link code.visualstudio.com. click on this first link and this will open up the official website of VS Code. This code editor is the best code editor around nowadays in the market. This is made by Microsoft and it's open source, so you can use it freely. You don't have to pay any money for this. Okay, so click on this download button for Windows. In this case, in my case, it's for Windows. In case if you are in another system like Mac or Linux, click on this drop down menu. By default it will detect the system that you are using basically, but if in case it does not detect, then click on this drop down button and click on any of the download link you want. Okay, for Mac OS, for Windows and Linux it's available. I'm going to click on this download for Windows and it will download it for me. You have to wait for some time. Click on OK and start download and we will download this Visual Studio Code like this. Okay, so click on open and make sure you check this I accept the agreement. Click on next, again next, next, and make sure you check these options. It's very important. Check all these check boxes. Okay, make sure all the check boxes are checked. Click on next and install. Okay, now click on this finish and this will launch VS Code automatically. Now look, one thing, I already installed VS Code, so it's showing me this kind of an interface. This a theme is already installed. Okay, so in case if you're not in case if you're using VS Code for the first time, this theme will not be set up. Okay, so no need to worry. You can go to the extensions panel and you can install any of the themes from here. Okay, so I'm not going to show you that. You just follow the steps what I'm doing right now. Click on this search bar and search for Python. Okay, this extension button. Okay, you have to click on this extension button and search for Python. Click on this Python and click on install. It will install Python. Till then we will also install AutoPep 8. Okay, AutoPep 8. Click on this AutoPep 8 and install it, and we are also going to install Pylance. Okay, so click on this and okay, but if you are installing Python, by default Pylance gets installed. Okay, so just wait for some time and it gets installed. Okay, all right, so it's done now. Okay, now we will check whether Python is actually installed in our PC or not. So minimize this screen and press Windows plus R from the keyboard and type CMD in your run dialog box. Hit enter and here this terminal opens up. Here you type Python space -- version. Hit enter and you will see that Python 3.12.2 that we just now installed in our PC, it's already installed. Okay, so it's successfully installed, so it's showing Python 3.12.2. Now you can run Python code in your terminal itself. So type Python, hit enter and this will allow you to write Python codes. But I'm not going to write any Python code. I'm just going to perform some simple mathematical calculations, like for example 5 plus 5, hit enter, it will show you 10. Then 2 into 2, hit enter, it will show you 4. Then 8 divided by 5, let's say, hit enter, it will show you 1.6. So you can do any mathematical calculation over here, but definitely we are not going to write codes in the terminal. So we will use VS Code. From the next class we will use VS Code, and we will write Python code in the next class. We will write our first Python code in the next class. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.